Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
Welcome back to Life Millwife. We got mail.
No, we didn't get, well, it's not really mail. It's Amazon.
Yes, it is Amazon.
It's not mine.
No.
I'm unboxing it for Kelly because it showed up and Kelly hasn't beautified herself yet this morning.
Yep.
And poor bro, he hasn't been feeling it for a couple days, and so now he's all excited and
he loves it when the Amazon people deliver, don't you, buddy?
okay.
All right.
We already know what it is, and this is something that I say we were saving for, because
We did have to wait for the money to be able to be available.
yeah, but which is fine.
Yeah.
But I promised Kelly that when we got the money that we would get. I would say I get it. It's kind of both our money. I just yeah, but I physically ordered it. Okay. Yeah. It is a little heavy.
Okay, and Country Girl, yes, I need more craft items.
No, she doesn't. But anyways, okay. I had to move the box over because otherwise
He's gonna hit the light fixture.
All right.
Let's look at this
You know what?
mean machine.
So this.
All right, so let's just. So this is my regular die cutting machine,
Yeah.
the big kick. Okay, this is 6 inches wide,
Then you got the.
and then I have the side kick, which is the little mini one that I have. I really wanted the larger one, which is called the Big Shot Plus, because this base is 9 inches wide, which gives you
This base is 9 inches wide.
yeah, this base.
You're
but
pointing to this and saying.
yeah, so because this is
Yes.
6 inch.
Okay, why don't we get rid of this?
Yes. So I wanted the 9 inch one because I have some dies to make books
Yeah.
that I really wanted to be able to use. So
There is a lot of parts in here.
now Kevin got me the starter kit one
Yes. It was a little bit more, but it came.
with a lot of accessories.
This machine alone, and no matter where you look, it's $200.
Yeah.
But if you were to go buy all the stuff that goes with it, it's probably well over $100. The starter kit was
38 or something.
No, it was more than that. It was like $259. It ended up $279 with tax.
Yeah.
Yeah. This just gives me an excuse to go buy more tools. Okay, I'm gonna have to.
Oh, look at that, babe. Look at that.
Yeah, I just don't know.
I've got it back here.
Okay. That's what I was. Yeah.
Look at that, baby. Who knew 3 inches made that big of a deal? Get your mind out of the gutter.
It's a beautiful day today.
Okay, I'm gonna film the machine, not you.
Okay. Oh, I need my glasses. It's pretty sad when I need glasses, not even to read, but just to look up close. Okay. So that's just the. Is there French on there? I don't know. Anyways. because it came from the States, but it's got both English and French. Okay. Oh, you got. Oh, it said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know. I didn't.
Yeah.
I didn't pay attention when I looked at everything. You just said order that, and I pressed the button.
So this is a die. So, yeah, you can see there's leaves and flowers.
That's just the screw with the.
It's so much fun watching Kevin put a handle on, isn't it?
Wish it would stick in there better.
Yeah.
Don't want to over tighten it. There's a little cap. It just fits there, and voila.
All right.
That is it.
Now unbox all this goodies.
Yeah. Just throw this all there. Okay. It's funny, that machine, even the plate, like, that's got some weight to it.
Mm-hmm. So there's this die that came with it.
Alright, you don't need that, do you?
No.
Okay.
And
let's
then
see. There's,
those are the plates.
they're stuck together.
Yeah, they're sectioned together.
Okay. This is the plate. Yeah, just show everybody.
Yeah, and then the platform that goes with the plates.
So then she got, you got some paper.
Mm-hmm.
The instructions. It tells me how to put the handle on. Some more paper.
Mm-hmm. Woo! Look at that embossing folder. Holy cow!
Wow.
Wow.
That's weird.
I never seen one so big before.
No.
Wow.
Well, it gives texture to the to your
it's
paper.
called an embossing folder.
Yeah.
And then all those dies. Wow.
Alexa, notification.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Big Shot Plus Starter Kit has arrived.
Well, that's the. I don't know what that is.
It's part of the platform. I know what
it's
it is.
kind of like an adapter or something.
Yes, it is.
Does it peel off? Or
No.
Is it just?
No.
Okay. Oh, and there's another one.
Yeah.
So
Wow.
a adapter.
And that's the platform.
Yeah. We'll have to look up. I'm just curious. We'll have to look up. Find out. Like, expecting that's fairly expensive,
Oh, yes.
that platform.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, there's my exciting new buy. They're suctioned together.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to.
You have to put the layers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because I got nothing
Yeah.
in there, right?
This one here would just go on there.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, there. Yeah.
yeah.
I
So,
just wanted to see.
yeah.
Oh, because, duh, I was going the wrong way. That's cool.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right. So, thanks for joining us with my excitement. All right. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.